His tail swishing. What's that, Toby? Those are leaves. They're leaves. You look at that, the leaves flying around out there. Look at that, eh? What's that, eh, Toby? Oh, Toby, go look at the leaves. Go look at. Oh, now he doesn't want to look at them. It's a fall day. It's fall. Yay! What's that, Toby? Go get it. That's a good boy. Go get it. You don't go out there. You're an indoor cat. Toby, look at the camera. Say hi. No. He wants to look at those leaves. Look at those beautiful Canadian dried up maple leaves. It's a nice fall day in Scarborough. Yeah, maple syrup. And a cup of tea. Cup of tea? Say hi, Toby. Oh, he's a good boy. All right, bye-bye.